Are you tired of doing the mixing dance with your whisk while your dough gives you the silent treatment? Say hello to the best stand mixers that will take your baking game from ho-hum to haute cuisine. These trusty kitchen companions not only save you time and effort, but also bring a sprinkle of joy to your countertop. Join us as we whisk through the top contenders, so you can finally give your arm a well-deserved break and let the mixing magic happen. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Classic, our pick for best budget stand mixer. Are you tired of breaking the bank for a fancy stand mixer when all you need is something that gets the job done? Meet the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer, your new kitchen bestie that won't judge your wallet. This clever little powerhouse is like the transformer of mixers. It shapeshifts from a stand mixer to a hand mixer faster than you can say chocolate chip cookies. Talk about having the best of both worlds. You'll fall in love with how it whips up cream into perfect peaks in just over a minute. And those beaters? They're like tiny kitchen ninjas, scraping down the sides of the bowl so you don't have to. No more awkward spoon-scraping dance while trying not to splatter batter everywhere. The 4-quart stainless steel bowl gives you plenty of room to experiment with bigger batches. Perfect for when you've promised to bring treats to the office but forgot until the night before. Plus, it comes with all the basic attachments you need, with the option to expand your arsenal later. Fair warning though, this mixer isn't trying to be your bread-making soulmate. It gets a bit dramatic with dense doughs, shaking and making enough noise to wake your neighbors. But hey, for everything else, from fluffy whipped cream to perfect cookie dough, it's your reliable kitchen companion that won't make your credit card cry. Consider it your budget-friendly baking buddy that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to create delicious treats. Number 4. Aucma 6-Speed Tilt-Head, our pick for best stand mixer for cookies. If you've ever juggled multiple baking tasks while wrestling with a hand mixer, the Aucma 6-Speed Tilt-Head stand mixer might just be your new kitchen bestie. This 6.5-quart powerhouse is like having an extra pair of hands in the kitchen, minus the backseat baking advice. You'll fall in love with how this mixer transforms your cookie-making game. In less than 60 seconds, it'll turn your ingredients into perfectly combined dough, while you're free to tackle other kitchen adventures or simply admire your culinary prowess. No more playing referee between wet and dry ingredients. This mixer ensures they play nice together without you having to intervene with a spatula. Want to whip up a double batch of cookies for that bake sale you totally didn't forget about until now? The spacious bowl has got you covered, and when it comes to whipped cream, it'll give you those Instagram-worthy stiff peaks faster than you can say food photographer. Here's the plot twist though. It's not quite a bread-making virtuoso. While it'll give bread dough the old college try, you'll need to finish kneading by hand. But hey, nobody's perfect, right? For cookie enthusiasts and whipped cream aficionados, this mixer is still a kitchen most valuable player worth celebrating. Still searching for the perfect stand mixer? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Cuisinart SM-50BC, our pick for best attachment stand mixer. Are you ready to become a kitchen superhero? The Cuisinart 5.5-quart stand mixer might just be your perfect sidekick, especially if you're the type who loves to experiment with different recipes. You'll get all the usual suspects in terms of attachments: a dough hook for your bread-making adventures, a whisk for those cloud-like meringues, a flat mixing paddle for your everyday mixing needs, and a splash guard. But here's where it gets exciting. You can expand your culinary arsenal with add-ons like a spiralizer, pasta cutter, meat grinder, and even an ice cream maker. Talk about a kitchen transformer. The pre-programmed settings are like having a personal baking assistant. Whether you're whipping cream or kneading dough, this mixer knows exactly what to do. It whipped up perfect cream peaks in under 2 minutes. No arm workout required. You'll love how it handles cookie dough too. It's like having a spatula built right in, scraping the sides clean as it works. Sure, it might shimmy a bit with tougher doughs, but don't we all dance a little when the going gets tough? One heads up for you bread enthusiasts: you might need to play sous chef and scrape the bowl sides occasionally when working with dense doughs. But hey, that just means you get to taste test sooner, right? Number 2. KitchenAid 7 Quart Bowl-Lift, our pick for best splurge stand mixer. If you've ever dreamed of being a baking superhero, the 7-quart KitchenAid is your perfect sidekick, minus the cape, but with all the superpowers. This kitchen powerhouse comes loaded with more attachments than your Swiss Army knife. A whisk for your cloud-like meringues, a dough hook for your bread-making adventures, and not one but 2 beaters. You know how annoying it is when you're making a small batch of cookies and half your ingredients are playing hide-and-seek on the bowl's sides? Well, this mixer's got your back. It'll hunt down every last granule of sugar, even when the bowl's practically empty. It's like having a kitchen assistant with obsessive-compulsive disorder in the best possible way. Setting up this beauty is so intuitive, you might wonder if it's reading your mind. Everything clicks into place like it was meant to be, making you feel like a professional baker from the get-go. Sure, at 35.3 pounds, it's not exactly portable, but what it lacks in mobility, it makes up for in muscle. Whether you're whipping up treats for a small army or just treating yourself to a solo baking session, this mixer delivers perfection every time. Yes, it's an investment, but can you really put a price on baking nirvana? Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Tilt-Head, our pick for best stand mixer overall. Are you ready to welcome royalty into your kitchen? The KitchenAid Artisan isn't just a mixer. It's the crown jewel of countertop appliances that's been making bakers weak in the knees for generations. You know you've made it as a home chef when you're proudly displaying this beauty on your counter with dozens of colors to choose from. You can match your kitchen's personality or make a bold statement. And yes, it's perfectly acceptable to catch yourself admiring its gleaming surface while waiting for your coffee to brew. Let's talk performance. While it might not be the speediest mixer in the race, it's the reliable workhorse that'll never let you down. From whipping cream to kneading bread dough, it handles everything with the grace of a kitchen ballet. Sure, it might shake a bit when you crank it up to full speed, but hey, who doesn't dance when they're working hard? Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, and there are fewer nooks and crannies for flour to play hide-and-seek in. At 26 pounds, it's built like a tank, but that's part of its charm. This is an investment piece that'll still be mixing up memories when your grandkids are begging for cookie dough. For a surprisingly modest price tag, you're getting a piece of kitchen history that'll handle everything from your ambitious sourdough phase to your annual holiday baking marathon. Think of it as your kitchen's best friend, always ready to help, never judging your 3 a.m. cake cravings. Woo! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best stand mixers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which stand mixer you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.